찾아 I'm on my way 넌 그냥 믿으면 돼 I'm on my way.
Hi guys, it's been a while since I last did a cover makeup tutorial, and today I thought I would recreate this WonYoung iconic look. She is pretty much the epitome of perfect. She's got super cute features, and I love how every point of her is like a statement. So we are starting out with a clean base. I'm using Jongsemul. Her skin is usually very clean and flawless looking, but it's not necessarily like very dewy. So this cushion is just the best amount of glow. I'm also using a brush to make sure that I get a very even coverage. Then we want to conceal all of our dark spots, our pimples, because obviously WonYoung doesn't have them seen, at least. Once that's done, I'm just brightening up the entire face with a concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me and I'm in the shade 15. I'm just going into my usual areas, but making sure to keep it a little bit more clean and focused in the center of the face. I also have lots of sunkenness around my eyes and around my smile lines because age is catching up, unfortunately, and there's loss of collagen in those areas, so I'm just using concealer to artificially brighten and lift the area. Contour, WonYoung actually has a pretty cute button nose, so I'm contouring the sides of my nose, trying to make it look as seamless as possible, and I'm also putting a line in the middle across so that it can kind of mimic like that little pointy button tip that she has. But on top of the nose, I actually contoured my lips because she has kind of like this upturned smiley lips and her iconic super plump juicy full lips. So I'm putting on some shadows on the cupid's bow and underneath the lip line. Because my cheekbones aren't as cute and round as hers, I'm kind of sculpting them by adding shadows underneath my cheekbones. Her brows have a really unique shape, which I never noticed before, but it's actually like a straight but super arc at the back, and it's kind of like feathered out, like very natural and bushy. So I'm just using an eyeshadow for this. You want to make sure that your eyeshadow is matte, of course, and I'm just artificially creating that little hook at the end, and of course using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to fill in the hair-like strokes. Once that's done, I just go in with some concealer to clean up the edges. Then it's eyeshadow time. Usually she goes for like peachy or pink shades that are more pastel. I'm just focusing on creating longer and more wide looking eyes. So WonYoung's eyes are more doe-like, and I'm trying to recreate that by placing the shadows closer to my inner corners and making sure to extend them outwards as well. You also want to make sure to bring the colors down to your lower lash line. And for eyeliner, I'm starting with eyeshadow first, just to create like a little structure before going in with my Moat liquid liner. Her eyes are one of her signatures because they are cute but yet super sharp. So I'm recreating that by doing a very thin line. I'm making sure not to fill up my entire eyelid with just eyeliner because my lid space is not that much. Her inner corners has this hook at the front, and it slowly tapers down to a very mini wing. To balance the eyes, I'm doing an aegyosal, and her aegyosal is kind of like in a circle rather than a half moon shape. A WonYoung look is not complete without her iconic lashes that has inspired so many people to make lashes like hers. So this one I'm using from Kik's Beauty, and she literally named this like WonYoung's lashes. Granted, they're not the easiest to apply, but they are individual bundles. I just apply about 3 to 4 on one eye. Then I'm choosing this baby pale pink shade for blush, just going in on a very big surface area from the center of my cheeks all the way to my temples. That is to mimic the look of blushing. Top it off with this Jongsemul lip color. I love the shade. It's kind of like a coral pink. It's super like bright and almost neon, but I think it brightens up the entire complexion very well. And I'm using the bullet tip to sculpt the lips, making sure I'm going all the way to my contour that I did earlier. So this is to create fuller lips. Then I'm layering it with this nudish shiny shade for the extra dimension. Lastly, Rare Beauty to bring some color back in and match that photo. Then it's time for the lower lashes because I really have none naturally. I have to draw them in. I'm sorry, my camera was, I was blocking my camera, I didn't know. Add a beauty mark and you are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It honestly has been a long time coming. You know, I haven't done makeup tutorials in a while, so I hope you guys will be able to encourage me to do more in the comments below. So let me know which other cover makeup you want to see more, and I'll see you soon. Bye!